everybody, and welcome back to our beauty series. Our today's topic is all about neck. We're going to cover neck muscles, why and how our Venus rings are formed. Your neck and your body posture are two main components of youth, and they are the one in the core of having a beautiful face. When you don't work on your neck, there is no point of working on your face. However, working on your neck will not help if you ignore your body posture. Therefore, as always, you're going to start off with a complex for body posture. This complex is described in the first video of our beauty series. Out of this complex, exercise with a towel roll is your absolute must-do in order to open up your chest. Link to this video is here and in the description below. After that, you're going to warm up and stretch your neck muscle. For that, you're going to bend your neck and turn your head side to side. Both of those you should do very slowly and carefully, avoiding harsh and fast movements. When turning your head, try to look behind your shoulders. Repeat those exercises 10 times on each side. After that, move to stretching side muscles of your neck. Bend your neck to the side, put your hand on your head, and stay in this position for several seconds. When breathing out, try to pull your head lower on every breath. You should continue this exercise for about 20 seconds. And during this exercise, you should be feeling tension in the side muscle of your neck. In order to make your neck more mobile, you need to additionally remove pressure from trapezius muscle. In order to do that, massage your trapezius muscle from both sides in soft motions, removing tension. Continue massaging for 1 minute. And after that, move on to stretching of your trapezius muscle. Turn your head to the side and pull your head down so that your chin is facing your armpit. Fix your head with your hand and stay in this position for 20 seconds. And try to pull your head lower with every breath. During this exercise, you should be feeling tension in your trapezius muscle. Move on to the back side of your neck. In order to soften muscles on the back side of your neck, grab a fold of tissue as big as possible and start massaging and softening it. This exercise will let you smoothen the muscle and improve circulation and face nutrition. And now, let's move on to the muscle that is very thin and covers the whole front area of your neck. It is not connected to bones and it is located between lower jaw and collarbones. This muscle, with its upper side, is attached to the pressor muscles, and therefore you should pay attention to all the negative emotions that are being reflected on your face, and they affect this muscle. This muscle, together with chewing, chin, and circular muscle of your mouth, take part in forming vertical necklines. Therefore, if you want to fight this problem, you have to stretch and relax your neck muscle, as well as stretch muscles of your mouth and chin. A link to the video that teaches you the techniques that relax those muscles also in the description below. Keep in mind that your negative emotions play a big role reflecting on your face. Now let's move on to the next problem, Venus rings. In reality, this becomes more of a problem with the age, since the structure of the rings you have from birth, but it gets worse year after year due to wrong body posture. The situation also gets worse due to wrong sleeping position when your pillow is too high, sitting with your head down for too long, and reading in laying position. In order to solve this problem, you need to control your body posture and exercising your neck. To smoothen the lines, you will need to do the following. Pinch your wrinkle and roll in between your fingers. After that, move to the next one and continue through the whole area of your neck. Don't be afraid, you're not going to overstretch your skin with this exercise. While you continue this exercise, your skin gets a bit reddish and it's normal. Continue through the whole area around your neck. Please pay attention that you don't need to pull your skin out and rub it side to side. You need to do your motions up and down, perpendicular to the wrinkle. You should be rubbing inner sides of the fold against each other. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends. Comment below which area interests you the most.